Hi, and welcome to this JuicyTools tutorial. Today we're going to take a quick look at the word search creator. You can access it directly from your dashboard. First, choose your puzzle size. There are 4 options available. Next, add your words. You can type them in one at a time and press Enter or click the Add button. You can also use the bulk entry option. Here, I've asked ChatGPT to generate a list of 10 animals which I can simply copy and paste. Once your words are added, you can choose the difficulty level, select uppercase or lowercase letters, and adjust other visual options. There's also a checkerboard option, which can make the puzzle easier to read, especially for students with vision challenges. When you're ready, click Generate to create your word search. At this point, I usually click Show Answers to check how the words are placed on the grid. If I'm not happy with the layout, I might regenerate the puzzle, increase the board size, or tweak a few settings. Once everything looks good, you can download and print the puzzle for your students. This is what the PDF would look like after downloading. A great feature for subscribers is the ability to generate a shareable link, allowing students to complete the word search on their own devices. You can also print a QR code for students to scan in class. This is what that would look like for your students. They can complete the word search online from the shareable link. It's a handy way to save paper, especially if photocopying budgets are tight. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to use the Word Search Creator tool. The Word Search Creator offers a simple and quick way to create engaging activities that reinforce classroom learning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the other tools available on your JuicyTools dashboard.